Okay, facts class. As promised, I made you guys, or I'm making, a video for you to see the conversions for measurement in lesson 21. You have for homework tonight numbers 1 through 5, but I figured I would take examples 10 and 11 and you just for reference. So number 10 in your book says 6 grams equals how many milligrams. So the first thing I notice is that I have grams and I want milligrams. That means that somehow I have to make the grams cancel out. Okay, I'm going to make that sort of go away, and I'll show you how to do that. We talked about that in class today. So if I look on page 111, it will tell me that there are 1,000 milligrams in 1 gram. Okay? So that's how I write. I want to get rid of grams. Okay? That's what I want to get rid of. I want to keep milligrams. All right? So what I'm going to do over here is, since I have grams here, I want to make sure that I also have grams here so that they can cancel each other out. And I'm going to put my 6 grams here. Okay? So in other words, if there are 1,000 milligrams in 1 gram, how many milligrams are there in 6,000? I'm sorry, I just said the answer. In 6 grams. Okay? So this is how I'm going to set it up. 6 grams, and you can put 6 grams over 1, which is the same exact thing as saying 6 grams, because any whole number as a fraction is just written with a 1 underneath. Alright, now I'm just going to multiply across. 1,000 times 6, as I said earlier, is 6,000. 1 times 1, obviously, is 1. So your answer becomes 6,000 over 1, or just 6,000 milligrams. Now the reason why my answer is in milligrams is because I have grams here and I have grams here. And because they're on opposite sides of the division line, they cancel each other out. So my final answer is 6,000 milligrams. I want to take one more, and that's number 11. And it's a word problem, so you can take a look at it and read along as you're watching this. It says, Bo buys a 3-pound bag of trail mix for a hike. He wants to make 1-ounce bags for his friends with whom he is hiking. How many 1-ounce bags can he make? Okay, so basically I have pounds and I want ounces. I'm just going to put a little note to myself. I want my answer to be in ounces. How many ounces is what I want to know. All right, if you want to set it up like this, totally fine. Just put it up here so you know in the end your answer has to be in ounces. All right, I'm going to set it up this way because I want the pounds to cancel out. I'm going to set it up like this. Okay, I know that there are 16 ounces in 1 pound. Okay. There are 16 ounces in 1 pound. Sorry about that. All right. That's my conversion factor. I can find that on page 111. That's what it tells me. I'm going to set up my equal sign because I'm going to solve all of these problems using equivalent fraction form the way that we have been doing in class. It's pretty consistent through this module that this is a great way to solve these problems. So I've got ounces here and pounds here. I've got my answer in ounces. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my 3-pound bag of trail mix up here. Okay. And again, I did that because my answer has to be in ounces, not in pounds. If I have a pound here on the bottom of the division line and pounds above the division line, they will cancel each other out, and my answer will be in ounces. And that's how that works. Again, just to keep it consistent, 3 pounds, you can put 3 pounds over 1. Any number expressed as a fraction just has a 1 for a denominator. Go ahead and multiply across. And you can see, once again, the pounds cancel out the pounds. I'm only left with ounces. So I know it's going to work. All right? 3 times 16 is 48. Okay? 48 is over 1 times 1 is 1. You wouldn't necessarily write the answer like this. You would put it in simplest form, which of course is 48 48 ounces, or in this case, 48 1-ounce bags.